Lunar New Year's Day. Sending blessings, welcoming good fortune.
Welcoming the new year on day 1, taboos and lucky phrases explained. Traditional customs on Lunar New Year Day 1.
New Year greetings.
On the first day of the Lunar New Year, family and friends exchange greetings and blessings, such as Happy New Year or wishing you prosperity. These greetings are not only a way to strengthen relationships but also a way to share positive energy and good fortune for the year ahead.
Wearing new and red clothes.
Wearing new clothes, especially red ones, on the first day of Lunar New Year symbolizes a fresh start and good luck. In Chinese culture, red represents happiness and prosperity, making it a popular choice for clothing and accessories on this festive day.
Visiting temples or friends.
On Lunar New Year's Day, families often go out for Zhou Chun, visiting friends, relatives, or temples to pray for blessings. This tradition symbolizes bringing good luck into the new year and strengthening social bonds.
Taboos on Lunar New Year Day 1.
No sweeping. No taking out the trash.
Sweeping or taking out the trash on Lunar New Year's Day is considered taboo, as it's believed to sweep away or discard wealth and good luck for the year. Cleaning is typically done before New Year's Eve to avoid this on day 1.
Avoid saying unlucky words.
People avoid saying unlucky words such as death, sickness, or lose on Lunar New Year's Day, as these words are believed to attract bad luck. Instead, they use auspicious phrases like Happy New Year or wishing you prosperity.
Avoid breaking objects.
Breaking items such as bowls, cups, or mirrors on Lunar New Year's Day is considered a bad omen, symbolizing financial loss or family discord. If something is accidentally broken, people quickly say peace and safety every year to counter the bad luck.
Auspicious Lunar New Year greetings.
Common blessings.
Happy New Year! May everything go as you wish. Wishing you prosperity and an abundance of wealth. Wishing you great fortune and surplus every year. Wishing you good health and vibrant energy. May all your wishes come true, and may you rise step by step. May wealth and treasures come your way, and may good luck follow you all year long. Happy Lunar New Year!